mommy is very thoughtful. Very nice guy. You won't even call my mama mother. Mother!
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Yeah, tinawagan ko lang si Tami, nag-usap kami, and today is Sunday. Tomorrow is dialysis di sabianan ko. Andito siya, guys, and so yan, nandito siya. What are you whining? Huh? What are you whining? Come here. Come here. What are you whining? What are you whining? Huh? Aduh, 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 aduh. Give mama a kiss. Roxy, come. Mama kisses. Come here. Oh, good girl. Mukis talaga ito siya, guys. Mukis na siya, guys. Binigyan. Roxy, come here. I'll give me a kiss first. Come here. Kisses first. No, look. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Andito yung biyanan ko. For sa the weekend, andito siya. Ito, sobrang dry. Yung skin ba, nagpipil yung skin peeling dito sa endo dito, oh. Para siyang biguti tignan, pero hindi yan biguti, guys. You wait, okay? I know you wanna come in, but I won't let you come in alone. Okay? You wait. Oh, Roxy's here. You guys wait, okay? Mama's gonna go shower first. Okay? Mama's gonna go shower first, okay? Before, guys, this cat doesn't like the dog. What is it, Damps? Hi, guys!
Hindi ko na naman maintindihan.
Yeah, tapos na akong naligo, and I just been watching Ray's vlog. Every time she upload that she's here in New York, nag-upload siya ng video. I'm always up to that. Oh my God, I'm so happy, guys. Kahit hindi kami nagkikita, kahit hindi ko siya nakita in person, I'm very happy na nakapunta sila dito. Anyway, so nanonood lang ako, guys, ng vlog ni Ray's. I just apply yung, guys, eyebrow. Nag-apply lang ako ng brow, and then mascara, and then also nag-apply din ako ng lipstick, lipstick. Very light lipstick lang. Ito lang yung ina-apply ko everyday. This is the Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. Hala, ang daming turkey. Dada will be here soon. Yan, guys, may mga turkey, guys. Yan, ang dami nila. Oh, sana hindi. Tara, let's go up. Let's go, Dada. Like, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, mister. Hey. Stop it. Sirup. Alo, iyak ilo. Hilak eh. Dila si Roxy mura magituli. Roxy, you're a crybaby. Ano ginoo ko? No. 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 Hello. Wow. The two of you. It's like a freaking riot. Huh? It's just like a something when Dada's come. Always. Dada's here.
Okay, puppy.
She wants to hug and kiss and hug. Hi, my love. You wanna go in? Look at Roxy, guys. Look at her. Always Burger King, guys. You know what, guys? Tommy asked the dog if what they like, and the dog said burger and nuggets.
Down.
Tell him. Do water like this, water. Look at yourself. look at that face. He think I'm splashing water, look. Oh, you go down. Look at her. Look at him, man. Go down. Go down. Oh, I feel bad for doing that, hon. Why you get so many, hon? This is our dinner now, too.
What?
What is your murmuring about?
I got grilled chicken sandwiches for the cats.
And
There's supposed to be 2 of them. They only gave me 1.
and what else?
The 2 crispy chicken sandwiches, but they gave me 3.
Look, did you hear that bug?
I screwed that up.
Did you hear that, little man?
Burgers for the dogs. Bacon burgers, because you like bacon.
Look at the son, the father and son, guys. Look at and look at his father and son. Talk to her. I want to see her head. Hala,
Bacon
Handi.
cheeseburger.
Hala, di know, han. She
Want
knows.
bacon cheeseburger?
Cut it in small pieces, though. That's for the dog. Hala, it's a cat. Oh my god, there's a cat. Oh my god, it's another cat. Ang ginaw, oy, maulan-ulan na panahon, oh. Huh? Nako, Lord. Punta lang ako sa taas, guys, para magbihis lang ako kasi gusto kong pupunta kami sa filming grill para mag-take out para i-film ko bukas. I asked Tommy sa Christmas, parang hindi siya. I don't know if I told you. So Tommy usually gave me something for Christmas, and we both do buy him something like clothes, because he always, shirt, because he always wears shirt, because always working. So I always buy him shirt and jeans, something like that, and shoes, watch, like that. I got him 2 watches already, but anyway, so I asked him if he can get me bean bag, because that's what I want, bean bag for my filming room, that I can sit down here and just do filming and do game also at the same time right here, and I can do live and whatever. Oh, anyway, guys, did I told you yesterday, that was last night? Yeah, the other night, or last night or the other night. Yeah, the other night, yung hour, yung oras is pabalik, diba? Bumalik kami ng 1 hour. Labas kami, 6 o'clock na. I got it.
No, keep that money.
No.
Hun?
Han, it's
Because
like
then if
almost $100.
It doesn't matter. Then if I turn around and say, oh, you're coming down, would you do me a favor, stop it? At least I know you can do it. Like one time I wanted to ask you to do that, and I said, oh, shit, no cash, and I won't take credit cards. I just didn't ask you. Whatever, at least if you got some cash, you got some cash. Oh, God.
That's how Tommy is. Very thoughtful. Very nice guy. He's a really nice guy. And he is a guy. He's not a girl. He is a guy, guys. Surprisingly, guys. He is not a guy. He is not a boy.
He's not a guy.
Oh, he's a guy. He's so good looking, right? So we are heading, guys, to go to
I'm not going there.
Flaming Grill. we're gonna pick up something for my mukbang. I will look around what I can, like, you know, get dishes for, like, you know, maybe 3 dishes, small pieces, a small portion only, guys, because, you know, it's like, it's not like a, you know, a big platter for mukbang. It's just, and that's our house.
No, now.
Huh?
There is none.
None. That's our house right there. Yay. Huh?
That's up my road.
Yeah, Tommy is not feeling good, but we have to go, guys.
I think you can stop at Walmart for a minute, too.
To get what?
Well, for one thing, I have no bag of salads. If they have, I can go in there, but no. I was want to check to see if they have pants. I just...
The one that like this too. You need...
The pants are more important.
I know, but you like that one better too. Slow down, huh? Because there's a lot of deer here. I saw deers in here all the time.
But I saw one in the other shop.
Huh? Yeah, I know you did. You told me.
Right, a block away from the house.
Yeah. This window is really like blur. Make your eyes like blur. La la la. You have to turn here.
Yeah. Where I am, where I'm going, I kind of got it under control.
You get it under control. Look, guys, that's my good-looking baby boy. How's this, guys? Look at it. Yeah.
And you know, there's potential that he can jump into the road in the last second. Shit.
Huh?
Still in my lead.
This one, oh, stay in your lane, no?
What? Gets it wet.
Okay, just drive, okay?
I am driving. Gonna make it very wet. I feel like you're afraid of a little water. What?
Just drive. What is this? Is this a...
Residue cigarette smoke.
Huh?
Residue cigarette smoke.
Way. Look, it's blurry, guys, right? This need to be cleaned up properly. Do you know where we go?
Yeah. I'm going to Walmart first, huh?
Okay.
Right.
La la. Nothing. I thought somebody's like running. This is nightlife in upstate New York. New York.
Like night lifeless.
Huh?
Like night lifeless.
Nightlifeless? Why is that?
There's no nightlife here.
Yeah, there's no nightlife. Tommy said this is a city that never go to sleep. Where you go left?
Something would be nice.
I know. You can go. There's no stop sign. Lala, this guy just keep doing shit. We go right there, other side. But this car is really big. I like that.
Chevy's covered.
I like that. No. 4 hubs. Oh guys, before we go to punta muna kami dito sa Walmart. Walmart muna kami bago sa flaming grill. So yun. Oh, they have nice thing. Oh, it's right here. Here, Tommy, right here. So why you go here? This is really nice and big. Oh, they have this right here.
Black?
Yeah. Black? Yeah, it's darker. This is a different cut, hun. You won't like it. The meat, guys, oh. Ang dami. Gusto kasi niyang bumili ng mga ganito, guys, para sa trabaho. Yep. Look at that. His favorite. Dark color. Ito na naman tayo sa mga damit. And bumili din ako ng ano, guys. Yung shoes, oh. Para lang pang ano ba? Simple lang. Mura lang naman ito. Yung mga mag-drive ako ba, kailangan may shoes. Sa mga anak daw niya. Kasi sabi niya, kanina sa ina niya, wala daw siyang ibang anak. So, yun lang daw yung 4. Kawawa naman to. Ha? No, get the small one. Like a real bone. Yeah, that one, they like that.
3 different things on a stick.
Yeah. Guys, Tommy want me to get this. Look, ito yung gustong Taming bilhin ko kasi gusto daw niya. Ito siya. Look at this. Look. Expensive man, guys. Oy, mahal. Ito daw. Gusto. Do you wanna wear it? Like. Okay. Yeah. Ito siya, jingle. No, this one is nice. But now I don't. It's only one day wearing it now.
It's not only one day. It's not just Christmas Day.
Oh, really? Oh, Hubs would love this. No. Let's go.
Why? It'll make him happy when you walk. It'll get him excited.
Let's go. Florida. Wow, ang mahal, guys. Okay, hagardo. Ang basa ko, guys, kasi ano, rainy. And every time I'm with Tommy, always end up like ang mahal, ang daming magagasto. Ang daming pants is 24 to 24 is like $50 for 2. Okay, and that's really it. And some of it is like 7. Look at it.
30 and 50, so it's $70 for the shirts and pants.
How much do you have?
$7.88
Each?
Yeah, they were marked at $4.88. The dog food, the dog treats were marked wrong. Those are marked wrong. Everything's marked wrong.
When a New Yorker get pissed, they have words coming out in their mouth that you don't have any freaking clue. That's a New Yorker right here. So you guys, we are here, flaming grill right there. We are heading home na. And at time check is 7:36 na ng gabi. I need to put my seatbelt. We just take out food because, you know, mother-in-law is in the house waiting for dinner.
Not my mother-in-law.
My mother-in-law. You won't even call my mama mother. Mother! You don't even call my mama mother. She called my mother Narlin. She called her by... Hala, there's a car over there.
If it was younger than me, it would be insulting to call her mother.
Okay, you just follow that car. And you stay in your right.
Yeah.
Ulan, guys. Hello, the eyes are so cute. The eyes. Hello, you guys are so cute, baby. Oh, you look so cute. No, cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, come to mama. Roxy, come here. Roxy.
You're done.
Okay.
Getting your camera all wet.
Hala, they're just looking at you. Oh my god.
They're very gentle animals.
I don't know why people kill them, honestly.
Hunters. Yeah, okay.
They're so freaking cute, guys. Holy cow, it cannot see me, guys. They're so freaking cute. They're just like the ice is gluey. It looks like Roxy baby. Come here. Wala, the skunk, Han. Han?
Yep.
The skunk.
I know.
Skunk eating. The skunk kitang. We forgot to buy oil.
Use any oil when I cook salad.
Nah, I put a little oil. That's how I do it.
I use lemon juice.
I do vinegar. And pepper. And a little salt.
The bottom's very deep.
No, I cannot handle any skunky dog.
I thought
Hala, look at the floor. Ay, nako. It's wet.
well, you let them out in the rain really quick.
Come here, huh? The tea, you know the tea is over there in the jar, in the wine section. Roxy, come here. Good girl, Misty. You're such a good girl, Max. Your sister is not good.
She said, oh, please.
You're hungry now? You eat tomorrow. Dada give you too much burger. And guys, kaya hindi ako mag-sleeveless guys kasi ang laki guys, oh. Pang-boxidor. Pang-boxidor talaga tong katawan ko guys, as in. Ang laki. Flaming grill for our dinner. This one right here is still hot. I will put this in the dish and I will put it in the oven. Oh, I couldn't eat anymore. You ate something.
You got salmon being cooked.
Hmm?
You cooked salmon. You have a chicken salad for lunch. That's how it. Then you have every night toast. And ice cream for after.
Yun. Good night guys. Iin na namin tong vlog guys.
Yeah.
Tutulog na kami guys kasi
You what? Yeah, I see him.
see you tomorrow guys. See you sa next vlog ko guys. So Tammy is giving them treats na. Pinaano ko lang sila guys sa labas. Nagwiwi lang sila. Dada has a treats, not me. Go get him. Ano na guys, 11 o'clock na. Hindi pa kami natutulog. See you guys sa next vlog. Bye-bye. Night-night. Uy.
Hi guys.
Hey honey. Uy, night guys. Night guys. Tommy, uy. Night guys. Night guys. I will see you guys tomorrow early. Bye-bye. Good night. Night-night, Rox.